All right, going into another cave today. Cave number 2. Climb up this mountain to get it up to the entrance though, so a little bit of a hike. All right.
When it gets to a big giant room, hold up.
Hold up, got it.
Or
Oh, that wall is mushy.
sure. Somewhere, wherever.
Well, I don't have a map or anything, so let's go find this kid. He already took off into the cave. Need a hand?
I looked down here, that's why I'm coming second.
Oh, it's really not that bad. But I can give you a hand.
Yeah, but this kind of stuff there.
Oh, it was a massive cave cricket. Everyone was like, "Where'd Ben go? Where'd Ben go?" He took off into the cave already. Huh? Really?
Not here, not very deep here, but pretty deep.
You have a map.
Little waterfall back here.
Oh, no, bro. Oh. Look at that.
There's that pit over here.
Let's go. Oh.
30,
Yeah. Cool.
I think it's deeper. Yeah, I need to check that.
No, not that bad.
The spot where the floor gave away once again. Yeah, right here. Probably 60, 70. Right down there.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Goes down.
You go down.
It do go. It don't.
Richard. You go down.
Whoa, that's way down.
Yeah.
Did you just go down this pit?
Let's go down to the end.
Go back and go down. You keep
Maybe we got off the ride too soon. Thank you.
It's getting wet. Oh, man. There you go.
Yeah, that was very accurate.
Oh, there's that pit we were looking down.
I don't know, I'm really enjoying staring at my butt.
It is cute, isn't it?
It's so cute.
That's my defining feature.
Your butt?
Yeah.
I agree, Nate, I think it is.
Oh, I think it's a pack off now.
We'll rearrange the furniture a little bit here.
Oh, Mike's changing the layout of the house.
What's that?
The Mike's rearranging the house. This is cool limestone passage above us.
I've been trying to
It gets a little biggie here for a minute.
It gets bigger, Nate.
For a second right here. Take a break.
I went through that pole for a second there.
Good news is the screen's way down.
Yeah, I'm backing off.
Oh. Okay, it's wiring it up at Mike. Pretty big room.
I don't think we're at the bottom yet.
High.
This is clean water.
Big breakdown.
A lot of water through it.
Yeah.
As the water blasts through here, when it's roaring, it spins those rocks in a whirlpool, and they
Wow.
they chisel out the pools.
Is that how those are made?
Yeah.
So cool. And then stop worrying.
Oh my. Who let him go first?
Wow, I don't remember this, but
I don't remember. That's reassuring.
Wow, look at that. Woo! That's slick. So.
All of us are gonna race.
Look at that. How, wait.
Everyone ready?
No.
Set, go.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no, I'm gone. Megan's gonna win, slow and steady. No. Oh, I hit the rough spot. Yes. Oh no. Yeah. I'm the cave king. Oh, I almost fall backwards.
Feeling old.
Here we go. Big slide.
Sir, this.
Woo! Aha! Speed caving. We're running off a crevice. Huh? This is the doom room. I know. Well, the GoPro's kind of separate from that. It's gonna be all right. Here, Ben. Turn your light on boost. Turn your light up.
What's down there?
That's why we came. All right, headed down this precarious mud climb. No, but you get out of control real quick, so I wouldn't do it. Yeah, I would not recommend sliding it, Ben. Hey, watch out, Ma. Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
All right.
That was mostly controlled.
Rod, there's a rock that will take away your ability to have children.
The light's not that bright. Yeah. You're getting stuck. It's easier just to go like upright and just inch yourself. Man, this is just mud. Ugh. Yeah, it is. I don't know if there's a dry way across this. We just gotta trust the rocks and go for it. Go that way. Oh, I made it! Yes! Dry feet! We're gonna go check out big waterfall apparently, then head up.
So check this out. It is roaring. Wow. Look at this. Wow. It is just torn out of a hole. Wow, look at it. Wow. That is cool. Oh, the leaves, no! Holy, looks like a 4-inch long crayfish. This thing is massive. Look at it. Oh, man. Wow, that is huge. I think it's time to climb out of here. Let's go. All right, here he goes. Now the steam's kind of making it hard, but there he goes. Headed up. All muddy. Alright. That's tight. That's tight. Let's go on up. This is muddy. I need a rope weight. It's gonna be a long one. There, I think I got enough rope weight finally. Oh, tired. I'm like steaming my entire body. Oh, face the other way now. Oh man, that's gnarly. Getting over that lip. It's gonna be tough for Mom.
It is, though.
I need to go.
A long way up, Shay.
Oh man.
Seems like it's about 170 from bottom to this.
170, you think?
It's not the same. There you go.
Here we go.
We got 3 out of the 6.
Everyone's up. It's time to go. Rope's up. We're up. It's time to get out of here.
Bad hair day.
What's that?
Helictites.
Huh?
Helictites.
Oh, it's the...
Grow curlicue kind of things that grow off the sides. Big room.
The big room.
And that big old board waiting to fall.
Oh, yeah. Light. There's light. Yo, what was that? That didn't sound like a boot scraping.
Oh, it was a boot scraping.
Uh-huh.
It was a boot scraping.
That's what they all say.
I should have taken that off.
You just got your harness on.
What's that?
You still got your harness on.
No, I'm sure taking my pack off there. That's kind of a low bridge.
This massive cave and it's a tiny entrance.
I know, what's that about?
Holy crap. There's water in there.
Yes, that's why. I know Ethan probably was going to have to cross the.
Wow.
You're getting wet.
Where did the water come from?
We're out.
Oh,
Before, it
that
was
is
like.
going into the black.
Yeah. Before it was like completely dry, and then it was like you're just walking on the river.
How do we get there from here?
Yeah.
What?
I mean, I kind of remember.
Like as in boots wet stream?
Oh no. Are you trying to break it? I don't know. I'm gonna record this though.
You're recording, huh? That is gonna hurt.
Yeah, that's a.
Boy, that's not gonna feel good at all. Good thing I've got a thick suit on, huh?
Yeah. Well, if you fall into the water, we got a long rope to fish you out with.
What the hell do I have my vertical gear on for? Oh shit. It's all caught already.
Ah, Mike.
More to pass.
I don't know. Ben might just do some parkour over there. You're kind of committed, huh?
Oh yeah. I'm going. Maybe.
Do you want to hand me your stick while you get around that?
Caught again.
Huh? Well, I'm kind of being entertained by Mike right now, so woohoo.
Still good. Ooh. I'm dead.
Yeah. Ben's over.
What's that?
He's over.
Wet or not?
Not wet.
Seriously.
Yeah, just one big
Not
jump.
He didn't take the rope, did he?
No.
Still have all my vertical gear on, don't I?
Yeah.
My extra stick. Not helping me much.
You got it.
Huh. I think I could have gotten on here, couldn't I?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking of doing. That's a big jump though.
You can make those jumps. They're a little
Is there a way off the other side of this rock?
Yeah.
That's a far jump. Alright, ping off of that one onto that one. Ah! Woo! Oh no, that's far. Not as far as it looks. Alright, well. Almost fell. That looks like where the water is going into the cave right there.